Welcome to our yet another Icelandic adventure. Today, we explore the enchanting Blue Lagoon. Nestled amidst black lava fields rich in minerals, the lagoon offers a soothing embrace. We immerse ourselves, feeling the warmth wash over us. Surrounded by surreal landscapes, relaxation takes hold. Join us as we uncover the magic of this geothermal wonder. As part of our Golden Circle tour, we had the opportunity to visit the renowned Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa celebrated for its rejuvenating properties and stunning surroundings. The Blue Lagoon offers a comprehensive range of facilities to enhance the visitor experience. The main attraction, of course, is the geothermal pool with water temperatures averaging 37 to 40 degrees Celsius, which provides a warm and soothing environment. The lagoon's maximum depth is about 1.4 meters, making it extremely safe and suitable for leisurely floating rather than vigorous swimming. The Blue Lagoon is a man-made geothermal spa known for its milky blue, mineral-rich waters. The lagoon's unique color and therapeutic properties are attributed to its high silica and sulfur content, offering visitors a serene and revitalizing experience. Moreover, it enhances skin health by exfoliating and conditioning the skin. Bathing in the warm, mineral-rich waters help to promote relaxation, alleviate stress, and ease muscle tension, contributing to overall well-being. Guests can apply silica mud masks known for their skin nourishing properties directly from the in-water mask bar. The in-water bar offers a selection of beverages including smoothies, juices, beer and wine, allowing guests to enjoy refreshments without leaving the water. The luxurious experience amidst the warm, mineral-rich water was incredibly relaxing, and the silica mud mask left our skin feeling rejuvenated. Sipping a refreshing drink from the in-water bar while surrounded by the stunning Icelandic landscape was truly unforgettable. Guests are welcome to spend as much time as they desire at the Blue Lagoon. There is no maximum time limit, and entry tickets are valid for the entire day. As we had booked our tickets through a tour package agency, we were allotted 2.5 hours to spend here, which was more than enough time to explore. For those seeking a more exclusive experience, the Retreat Spa offers private changing rooms, access to the Retreat Lagoon, and additional spa treatments. The Lava restaurant offers Icelandic cuisine in a unique setting, providing a dining experience that complements the natural surroundings. The Blue Lagoon offers several ticket packages, each providing different levels of amenities: the Comfort Package, Premium Package, and Retreat Spa. We had opted for the Comfort Package, which included entrance to the Blue Lagoon, silica mud mask, use of a towel, and one drink of choice. The site also offers visitors to enhance their experience by exploring the on-site shop, which offers a range of products and souvenirs. One gets the opportunity to test and purchase products, allowing them to extend the benefits of the Blue Lagoon experience beyond their visit. Our visit to the Blue Lagoon was indeed a highlight of our Icelandic journey. The combination of natural beauty, exceptional facilities, and the overall serene atmosphere made it an experience we highly recommend to anyone visiting Iceland. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. May the memories we have created inspire you to seek out new horizons and embrace the unknown. Until we meet again, keep exploring, stay curious, and let the spirit of adventure guide you.